In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed live video streams on Wix. This process is fairly straightforward and can add a dynamic touch to your website, engaging your visitors with live content. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to your Wix website editor. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're in, navigate to the website editor section where all your website's magic happens. This is your command central for all customizations and design tweaks. Once inside the editor, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see various options, but what you're interested in is the Add Elements button. Click on it to open up a variety of features that you can integrate into your site. Now, among the list of options, you'll need to find Embed Code. This feature allows you to bring in code from external sources, a powerful tool for extending the functionality of your site beyond the stock components. Click on Embed Code to proceed. Next, you'll want to select Embed HTML. This is where you'll be pasting the code that links to your live stream. By embedding HTML, you can incorporate external videos, widgets, and other content seamlessly into your Wix website. Now it's time to get the embed code for the live stream you wish to feature. Open a new tab and navigate to the page where your live stream is hosted. Typically, live streams can be hosted on platforms like YouTube. Find your stream, and once it's on your screen, right-click on it. A menu will pop up, and you should select the option to Copy Embed Code. This code is a snippet of HTML that tells your website where to find and how to display the video stream. With your embed code copied, let's go back to the Wix editor. Return to the spot where you selected to embed HTML earlier. You should see a field where you can enter or paste code. This is where you'll paste the embed code you just copied. Make sure it appears correctly to avoid any display errors later. Once you've pasted your code into the HTML box, go ahead and click the Update button. This action will save your work and integrate the live stream into your website. Keep an eye on your workspace to ensure that the live stream appears as expected. Finally, you have the option to resize the live stream to fit your website's design perfectly. A small circle should appear on the edges of the embedded stream, allowing you to drag and adjust its size. Make sure the live stream fits well within your page layout and is fully visible to your visitors. Congratulations! You've successfully embedded a live video stream into your Wix site. This feature can significantly enhance user interaction and keep your content fresh and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy Wix editing!